Okay, let's look at the power required to drive compressor. Okay, to determine the power required to drive a compressor, okay, we need to meet the system pressure and the flow rate requirement. So here is given the theoretical power required to drive an air compressor. Okay, power is equals to P in times Q over 17.1 times with P out over P in power of 0.286 minus 1. Okay, what we need to be aware of is the pressure in and pressure out should be in the absolute pressure. Okay, so P out and P in is in absolute pressure in kPa. Okay, to determine the actual power, so this is theoretical power. Okay, and the actual power P actual is equals to P theoretical divided by the overall efficiency. Okay, let's look at an example here. A compressor deliver at 687 kilopascal gauge and 8 standard meter cube per minute. Calculate the required power by the electric motor to drive the compressor if the overall efficiency of the compressor is 85%. Then calculate the required power for electric motor to drive the compressor with 95% efficiency. First, we calculate the theoretical power, P theoretical equals to P in times Q over 17.1 P out over P in power of 0.286 minus 1. So P in is atmospheric pressure. Okay, so that is 101 times with the flow rate is 8 divided by 17.1. And then P out is given as 687 kPa gauge. So absolute pressure is gauge pressure plus with atmospheric pressure. So 687 plus 101 divided with P in is at atmospheric pressure 0.286 minus 1. Okay, so from here we get 37.74 kilowatt. So the actual power is equals to the P theoretical divided with the efficiency of the compressor, overall efficiency of the compressor. So this is equals to 37.74 divided by 0.85 and you will get 44.4 kilowatt. Then calculate the required power. Calculate the required power of the electric motor to drive the compressor with 95% efficiency. So the required power for the motor power is equals to the actual power divided by the efficiency. Okay, so that's 44.4 kilowatt divided by 0.95, and we get 46.7 kilowatt. So that is how we calculate the compressor power.